Alright, so this is probably going to be a really short video, and yeah, we'll see how many people watch it. Pretty easy to do, but we're going to install these AVS Vent Visor Deflectors, you know, rain guards, in-channel ones. They go in here. It's pretty easy to do. Just gotta clean some stuff up with stuff that they provide you with. Essentially, stick it in here, stick it in there. You gotta hold it for a while. Instructions tell you everything. Hold it for a while, put the window up. Can't open it for 72 hours, and pretty much it. Same thing with the back ones. I guess. Same thing. Stick it in here. I'm gonna have to kind of bend this one, I guess. Stick it in here. Hold it. All that does, and call it a day. But yeah, so we gotta clean this first. So they provide you with, stuck everything in here, this Scotch Brite pad they call it, and some alcohol swabs. So simply, I don't want these to fly away, let's stick that over there. So I guess pretty much, put this out again. There we go. You're gonna scrub in here with this guy. And you can use alcohol wipe it down, peel back the tape a little bit, and stick it in, hold it for a while. Oh, what did it say again? The instructions tell you everything. Yeah, clean, peel back a couple inches, stick it in front first, in the back, rip the tape off. You gotta push in and hold out. Roll the window up while pushing in, holding down, and that's pretty much it. So, again, it's probably gonna be a very short video, but let me clean these guys and then. So I was kind of curious why not why, but it makes sense, you know, gotta make sure it's clean. But I didn't think it was that dirty in there. But 4 years, I guess, stuff built up. You kind of see the dirt on there. That was just this window. I kind of did one test on that. And the alcohol wipes they provide you with, that's all that was left of it. It's just one little towel thing. So I definitely recommend either finding your own and cleaning better. But I'm just going to say screw it and go ahead and put this sucker on. So obviously I couldn't do that with 2 hands and record. But that's it. It's pretty easy, right? So I literally peeled back the tape about to here, and then peeled back the tape to about here, removed these 2 small pieces, stuck it in, pulled back, and pulled back here to make sure the end pieces are stuck, took the tape off, pulled back, and I gave it a quick little tug, and then once I felt, I don't even know what I was just looking at right there, but yeah, I kind of gave it a quick tug. And once I felt that it was good enough, stuck my arm in, pulled the window switch up, and let it do its thing. So, you can do it all by yourself. Second person definitely make things a little easier, but definitely not hard. But that's about it. Show you guys what this side looks when it's done, and I guess that's really the end of that video. Alright, so I'm going to try record this part so you guys can see what it looks like. Get this to not come back up. Right. Pretty much, probably don't even take it off that much, but take off those ends for sure, completely. Pull back a little bit of this. So let's do the front end first. So, let's stick that in. And then, gotta kind of bend it a little bit. Tuck that up, pull back on it, tuck it up, pull back on it, peel that, stick it in there, and just kind of go back here. Hang on a second. Push back up on it, pull it back, push up, pull it back. Give it a few nice tugs. Make sure that it's attached itself to the inside. Now, gotta roll the window up. If you're doing it, this is the part where I can't really record it. See, right now, I'm pushing, and it's sticking. So that's why you have to kind of pull it back as you kind of push it and pull it like that. And now, I think we made it. We cleared it. Window's up. Yep. So I couldn't really record, but once it's closed, make sure it's closed all the way, because now you can't open it for 72 hours to make sure everything sticks. But once you close it, kind of do the same thing again. Push in, push out. That's it. Figured I'd do this one. It's the easiest one to do with one hand. It's shorter. But yeah, next I just make sure your window's all the way up, because you are not supposed to pull it or roll them down for the next 24 hours or 72 hours. Well, that's it. Yeah, I like that. I think it's a good idea. Glad I finally did it. I think it's like 4 years. And hey, 20 bucks versus 50 bucks or whatever these are now, I'll take it. Thought about wrapping them. I still might. I don't know. Kind of like that it blends into the window. Might wrap that. But anyone needs the part number or whatever, I think that's it. Maybe it's that guy. I don't know. But yeah, AVS. I think that might be one of the only brands that makes these, but I've heard good things about this brand in general. So super simple install. So wipe it down with the pad, wipe down the alcohol pad. Remove the tape, pull out. Keep pulling as you roll the window up. This one, this guy, I did have to pull back a little more, kind of do it twice. They're scuffed, whatever. Anyways, yeah, super simple though. Got a couple more things that I'm planning on doing to the car this year, visually. My quick little overview about it. Probably painting the calipers. Those will be white. Swapping out some lug nuts. Wrapping a couple things. I think that's it. I recently got the car coated. You can see the level of gloss is increased. Pretty good amount. Mind you, this car's dirty. If you can tell. There you go. I don't think I've washed it in like a month. The fact that it's still this glossy is pretty good. Looks insane in the sun. But yeah. That's it for this video. Oh, I gotta rewrap these. Waiting on Lux to come out with their Lux, whatever they call it, gloss carbon. Hopefully that happens soon, but that's about it, I think, for this year. Oh, and I got something for the interior cooking, so that'll be a fun video too. At least I think I'll make a video. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll see how it goes down. But yeah, see you guys next time.